Understanding Export Quotas. Simplified for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting economic term, export quotas. If you've ever been curious about how international trade works or heard this term in the news, this video will help you understand what it means in a simple and clear way. Export quotas are limits set by a country on the amount of a specific product that can be sent out or exported to other countries. Imagine it like this. If you have a basket of apples and decide to only sell 10 out of 20 apples to your neighbor, those 10 apples are your export quota. Countries use these quotas to control how much of a product leaves the country, for various reasons. Countries set export quotas for different reasons. Sometimes, it's to protect domestic industries from too much foreign competition. Other times, it's to preserve natural resources, like limiting the export of a rare mineral to avoid running out. Quotas can also be used in political strategies, like when countries negotiate trade deals with each other. Let's look at some real-world examples. Imagine a country that is the main producer of a rare spice. To ensure the spice doesn't become too scarce domestically, the government might set an export quota, allowing only a certain amount to be sold overseas. This way, they maintain a balance between earning money from exports and keeping enough spice for their own people. Export quotas can have significant impacts. For exporters, it might mean limited income opportunities. For the global market, it could lead to higher prices for certain goods. But on the flip side, quotas can help protect local industries and conserve resources. I hope this video has helped you understand what export quotas are and why they're important in international trade. Remember, it's all about balancing local needs with global trade demands. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next English language learning adventure.